So, you want to make your Minecraft on Xbox look extra stunning, perhaps with shaders? I got you. Minecraft is incredibly popular on consoles like Xbox in the USA, and many players want to boost their game's visuals. On Xbox, Minecraft runs the Bedrock Edition, which handles graphics and add-ons differently than Java Edition on PC. Unfortunately, adding custom shader files the way PC Java players do is not directly supported or straightforward on Xbox. The Render Dragon engine used by Bedrock is quite advanced, but also makes custom user shaders very hard to implement on closed console platforms like Xbox. Your best and safest bet for enhancing graphics is to check out the official Minecraft marketplace. There you can find resource packs, some of which offer significant visual upgrades and shader-like effects that are approved and optimized for Xbox. These are easy to install and won't risk any issues with your game or console. Trying to use unofficial methods found online can be very complex, risky, and often doesn't work reliably. So stick to the marketplace for a better-looking and safe Minecraft experience on your Xbox. And that's it!